In this lecture, we will examine quality management and its importance in improving business performance. Quality management is the process of making sure that products and services consistently meet agreed standards. It involves planning, controlling, monitoring, and improving processes so that the final output is reliable and efficient. Key quality standards include the British Standards Institution, BSI, ISO for Global Best Practice, and the Kitemark for Certified Excellence. Developing a quality culture requires setting clear standards, managerial commitment, and staff buy-in to ensure shared responsibility across the organization. Main tools like quality control focus on inspection, while lean manufacturing and Six Sigma target waste reduction and process consistency. Effective quality management leads to zero defect production, continuous improvement, and ultimately higher business efficiency and profitability. Thank you for watching this lecture on quality management. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.